What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I'm Andre, but y'all can just call me Shallow. I made this channel because I wanted to document my trading journey, so I'm gonna keep everything transparent with y'all. Plus, they got a lot of fake trading content out there, so I just want to show y'all real trades, real sessions, wins, losses, all that, feel me? I'll mainly be posting live trading sessions, breaking down my thought process behind every trade I take. I'm gonna try to post about 5 days a week, but if I ain't at the crib, y'all ain't getting a video. But if I am, I got y'all, feel me? Oh yeah, I trade prop firms too, so I ain't gonna be talking about opinion no either. But y'all gonna be seeing it though, so it really don't matter. But we got like 4 minutes till market open, so let's get straight to the charts. I bet we locked in though. We locked in. All right, so it's currently 8:27. We got about two minutes till market open, so let me hurry up and try to figure something out. All right, let me go to 1 hour. I don't know if we're gonna trade today. Nah, we most definitely are. No significant draw on liquidity besides this for longs. This the fair you got inverse. What about here? Inverse. Not gonna lie. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. I'll take longs from here. Let's see. We still chasing all-time highs low key. So yeah, hold on. I'm gonna take a long from this low. Hopefully it close bearish. Yeah, I'm marking both out. I feel like I should have something to take shorts from too though. I feel like just coming into this bearish fair gap is cool to yeah, we can switch up after this. I don't know though. I don't think I want to take shorts. Forget it. Might as well. Nah, I ain't taking shorts. I ain't gonna lie. I'm only taking longs. Market about to open in 20 seconds. Nah, we cooling up this. Yeah, I would only take longs from if price came down to here. If market open, we inverse higher. I only trade NQ by the way, so we about to see. Boom. All right, we got that. Came down. Now we want to see an inverse upwards. Let me see a 30 second. Hopefully it formed a proper fit. There you go. Let me see where I would get my TP from. I ain't gonna lie. Probably be all the way up here. But let's check something out though. We sit and we wait for an inverse. Alright, so we have this 15-minute intermediate low in this bullish value gap. So we want to get an inverse. I would take the trade up to here. I ain't gonna lie. Look, we about to get some. I want price to go lower, accumulate, so it could be a way better entry. Yeah, we just gotta sit and wait though. I ain't gonna lie. Now we got this 1 minute. That's cool. We gotta wait for the 1 minute. Highest time frame inverse. But trading so boring. All right, so this is what I want to see with price. We came down, came up to this. Now I want to see price go back down. Then we get another inverse. I might break even right here. TP up there. Yeah. I want another fair value gap right here. We might get this 1 minute inverse. Hold on. This might be our entry. Down here. Beautiful. Will we get the inverse though? Gotta wait a whole nother minute. Might mess up the entry though. Oh well. Now I would love to see an SMT right here. That'd be great bullish confirmation. But like we doing what I said too. Nope, no fair value gap. I think I'm gonna get in off if it's break structure. If it close above this, yeah, I'm gonna get in right there. I ain't gonna lie. If we close above this, I don't think we will. Nah, we ain't. Yeah, I couldn't take no shorts. I ain't gonna lie. We ain't got nothing for shorts. We ain't bouncing off of nothing either. So, yeah, as long as it's the only thing I could take. I might get it off if we close above this. Yeah, they playing around, man. This is too premium up here. I want a discounted entry. We might get some. That's tough. 30 seconds. Yeah, I want to see price go lower. I ain't gonna lie. We probably ain't gonna go lower. I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Well, yeah, it's the 1 minute. You about to take out the whole move, goddamn. Go for 1-on-1. Yeah, I can't take this trade. I ain't gonna lie. We didn't take out dang near a whole move. Unless we come down, hit this, and go up. But if we hit TP before we even touch this, I can't take it. Yo. Nah, I hit TP. Can't take that trade. What's something else? Let me see. Let me lock in. Reverse off of this. Ooh. I'll take a trade off this order block. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not tripping. I just said order block. I mean rejection candle, rejection block, whatever you call it. I don't see nothing for shorts. Unless we get like a continuation setup. That's what I would take. But I ain't gonna lie, I just gotta sit and wait. I'm on ES to close bullish. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'll take a trade if price came down to my buy limit off the rejection block. I only put it down so much because I'm on a funded account. I ain't trying to lose more than a band. I want to see ES sweep both of these lows too. It'll be a great bullish S&T. That'll be beautiful. Hopefully price hit my buy limit though. I feel like that's cool. Place an alert right here. Hopefully we don't edge it, bro. I feel like I should wait to see if this candle can close bearish. Well, we about to be in it now, so it doesn't even matter. I ain't gonna lie. I lose, I win, I win. All right, let's see us hit TP, man. Where should I go break even at? Yeah, I want to see us hit TP. Yeah, we swept this low. That's beautiful. Beautiful. All right, we got a... It ain't official yet. The S&T ain't official yet, but... we shall see. How low can we go? I ain't gonna lie, this is like my second time taking a trade out for a rejection block. If this fail, it might just be probability. I ain't gonna lie, because I feel like this is a great setup. Couldn't inverse lower, then we close bullish. Only thing I'm skeptical about is this 1 hour. Hopefully this close bearish. If it closed bullish, I might have to just go break even. Or just TP depending on where we at. I want to see this inverse and then boom. That'll be even better if ES swept this. But we already got an S&T created. Now we just sit and wait. 5 minutes. I feel like price gonna accumulate again. Like gonna go down, they gonna inverse again. But everybody hit full TP, huh? Got it, bam. That go my trade for the day, huh? Talk about trading, bro. Hold on. If we inverse this, then I'm gonna go break even. Yeah, if we inverse this, I'm gonna go break even. I don't see how or why we should reverse off of this. It look like we got TP. There we go. That's a bin for the day. Dang, I'm my second trade off a rejection block. But yeah, we cool enough. All right, so boom. Market open. We wanted this long scenario to play out. We wanted price to sweep this low and we get an inverse, but So it did that, but during that, as you can see, it took out basically the whole move. It would have been a terrible risk reward. So I was gonna take that trade. It was wasting my time. So we waited for another setup, and then in 15 minutes we got this rejection block. Bullish, by the way. This price came down in here. I put my limit right here simply because I wasn't trying to lose more than a band. Price just so happened to hit it. And then TP, I mean, what gave me more conviction in the trade was the S&T. I would have been more skeptical if we didn't form this bullish S&T at these lows right here and right here. Feel me? Oh yeah, and like on a regular day, I probably trade for about. I'd be on the trot for about an hour, 8:30 to 9:30. Cause where I'm from, market open at 8:30. But yeah, I'm streaming again the rest of the week. I ain't gonna lie. But I feel like that's it though. But alright, gang, that's it for today. I'm streaming again tomorrow though.